Coping with job loss, building resilience, navigating transitions, and finding new opportunities.
Welcome to our video on coping with job loss. Losing a job can be a challenging and overwhelming experience, but remember, you are not alone. In this video, we will explore practical strategies to help you navigate through this difficult time, build resilience, successfully transition to new opportunities, and thrive in your career. Let's dive in. Step 1. Acknowledge and process your emotions. Losing a job can trigger a range of emotions, such as shock, anger, sadness, and even a loss of identity. It's crucial to acknowledge and accept these feelings as a normal part of the grieving process. Give yourself permission to experience and express these emotions. The following tips can help. Tip 1. Seek emotional support. Reach out to friends, family, or support groups who can provide a listening ear and offer empathy during this challenging time. Sharing your feelings and experiences with others who understand can provide a sense of comfort and validation.
Tip 2. Practice self-care.
Taking care of yourself is paramount during a job loss. Engage in activities that help reduce stress and promote well-being, such as exercise, meditation, journaling, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Prioritize self-care routines that nurture your physical, mental, and emotional health. Tip 3. Seek professional support. If you find yourself struggling to cope with the emotional impact of job loss, consider seeking professional support from a therapist or counselor. They can help you navigate through the complex emotions and provide valuable guidance as you rebuild your confidence and resilience. Step 2. Evaluate your current situation and plan your next steps. After acknowledging your emotions, it's time to evaluate your current situation and strategically plan your next steps.
Tips for evaluating the situation.
Tip 1. Assess your skills, strengths, and interests. Take time for self-reflection to identify your core skills, strengths, and passions. Consider the experiences and accomplishments from your previous job and determine which skills are transferable to other industries or roles. Leverage RoleGenius job role suggestion tool to identify job roles for your transferable skills. This exercise will help you identify potential career paths that align with your interests.
Tip 2. Research and explore new career paths.
Delve into researching various industries and roles that pique your interest.
Utilize online resources, industry publications, and professional networks to gain insights into emerging sectors and positions.
Networking, attending career fairs, and informational interviews can provide valuable first-hand knowledge and potential opportunities.
Tip 3. Consider additional training or education.
Evaluate whether additional training, certifications, or education would enhance your qualifications for the desired career paths you've identified. Online courses, vocational programs, or pursuing higher education can help bridge any knowledge gaps and make you more competitive in the job market.
Step 3. Take action and navigate the job search process.
Now that you've acknowledged your emotions and evaluated your situation, it's time to take proactive steps towards finding new opportunities and navigating the job search process effectively.
Tips for taking action. Tip 1. Polish your resume and enhance your online presence.
Craft a targeted and professional resume that highlights your relevant skills, accomplishments, and experiences for the positions you're interested in. Optimize your online presence, including LinkedIn and professional portfolios, to showcase your expertise and connect with potential employers or industry professionals.
Tip 2. Expand and leverage your network.
Networking plays a crucial role in job searching. Actively reach out to professional contacts, attend industry events, join relevant online communities, and participate in informational interviews. Expanding your network can uncover hidden job opportunities and provide valuable guidance and support throughout your career transition.
Tip 3. Utilize job search resources and tools.
Explore job search platforms, career centers, and recruitment agencies that specialize in connecting job seekers with employers.
Leverage online job boards, industry-specific websites, and professional organizations for job leads and industry insights.
Attend workshops, webinars, and career counseling sessions to enhance your job search skills and interview preparation. Tip 4. Practice resilience and persistence. Job searching can be a challenging process, and setbacks are normal. Stay resilient and maintain a positive mindset throughout the journey. Celebrate small victories, learn from rejections, and keep refining your approach.
Persistence and adaptability are key to finding new opportunities and securing your next career move.
In conclusion, coping with job loss is a journey that requires time, resilience, and an open mind. By acknowledging your emotions, evaluating your situation, taking strategic actions, and utilizing available resources, you can not only overcome this setback but also discover new opportunities that may lead to an even more fulfilling career.
Stay positive, stay determined, and keep moving forward.
You've got this. Thank you for watching today's training session.